Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Elfinhair once again. This is a packaging. All right, so let's get into it. So I did get a few goodies in the packaging today. So I got a branded elastic headband. I also got an edge brush and comb. I got some information cards, and then I have a pair of HD wig caps, and then they sent this really effective bonnet. I would say you have those two straps on your bonnet, you can't go wrong. So yeah, let's get into the wig of the day. So the wig we're working with is the Flexi-Fit Invisible Drawstring Full HD Lace Boho Curls Human Hair Braided Wig. Is pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and when I tell you, it shows like the quality of this wig immediately. Oh my gosh, it's a 10. The length of the hair is also 26 inches long. As it relates to the further details, like how many strands are on this wig, that will be listed down below. It's a full lace cap, as you can see. It has drawstring at the side, an adjustable strap inside the cap, and a comb in the back, and two on the sides. This was a well thought out construction. The hair and everything is neatly done. And when I say it's neat, look at this flip over. You cannot tell me that's not scalp. That looks like I went to the salon and got my hair braided up. When I say the work on this wig is clean, professional, precise, quality. The only thing I would say is I wish the shedding was less, and that would be from the bits there, the curly bits. So there were some shedding, and I wish that was less, but everything else on this wig is a 10. Okay, a 10. Look at, girl, you don't want to be going through the hassle of sitting down in that chair for hours and hours, and you don't mind a wig. This is the wig to get. I'm telling you right now, this is the wig to get. You will not regret this purchase. This is top tier quality. Okay, so I went ahead and I just applied that with a little bit of my PS Lux hair melting spray, which got the job done perfectly, especially if you don't want to use glue. And if you want to wear it for a shorter period of time, you could just go ahead and do a glueless install like I'm doing here and get that done. It doesn't take much. It's very easy for a beginner to follow and do on their own. So this is definitely a DIY vibe, okay? And everything looks professional. That's the biggest part for me. So I went ahead, and after I sprayed that on, I pretty much just, made everything dry down with the Elfin elastic hairband. I left it on for like a good 5-10 minutes to just allow it to dry down and just set in place. And after I was done, this is how it was looking. Beautiful, right? Immaculate. Went ahead and cut away the excess lace, and then at the very edge there, it was a little bit of cast just because of the tugging and just cutting that lace right there. So I did reinforce just a little bit of the spray at the very edge. You see my reaction. I was stunned. Okay? Stunned. The wig is breathtaking. That's one thing for sure. A breathtaking braided wig. Okay, yeah, so I just reinforced a little bit of the spray after doing this, like you're seeing me do right here, and allow that to dry down. Once I was done with that, I pretty much adjusted the drawstring, which is, again, very straightforward. You just want to take that and adjust the knobs. Pull it to as tight as you want it to be. And as you can see, I'm tucking away the excess string beneath the wig cap. That is all to it. No hassle. Super easy. I went ahead and just adjusted the comb in the back within my braids, and then I gave it a little shake test. The wig is very secure. All of those stuff really makes the wig extra secure, and it's not super heavy. It's a braided wig, so it will have that little weight, but it's really not super heavy. Absolutely love it. Look at that, man. beautiful, beautiful. So I went on into styling the wig in different styles. A little bit after this, I was just showing it back there to show you how realistic the wig look right around the head. Yes, so that's a 10 out of 10. Then I went on into just styling the wig, giving you guys different options where that's concerned. So feel free to go ahead and do these styles or anything else that you may come up with. It's pretty straightforward. The first one, I pretty much just did 2 little twists away from the face in the front, giving like a low half up, half down vibe, and that's it. The next look, I pretty much did the same thing, but just with 1 twist away from the face towards the back. And that was pretty much it. Everything, every style that I'm doing is very easy, you know, but having braids can be very fun. So, you know, you have to, you know, change it up and do all the styles that you can, especially if you're doing a full lace braided wig. It doesn't get any better than that. For my final look, I pretty much did a half up, half down with a bun at the top and 2 pieces of braid in the front. Again, really easy, very to the point. Everything looks amazing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the final look. Let me know what you guys think about today's wig look. I really love it. 10 out of 10. All the details, the direct link to this wig will be listed down below. If I have a discount code, that will be listed as well. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.